a gas is initially at a pressure of 750 millimeters of mercury, a volume of 4.0 liters, and a temperature of 300 kelvins. If the pressure increases to 900 millimeters of mercury and the temperature rises rather to 360 kelvins, what is the final volume? So same step lang again guys now. So let's determine or identify the variable and its values. So we have to read the question again so that we can identify it. So we have a gas is initially at a pressure of 750. So we have the pressure which is initial pressure which is 750 millimeters of mercury. So a volume of 4.0, that will be our initial volume, and then a temperature of 300 kelvins. So to proceed, if the pressure increases to 900 millimeters of mercury, 900 millimeters of mercury, then and the temperature rises to 360. So that is our final temperature, 360 kelvin. So our unknown variable rather is final volume. So before we proceed guys, we have to rearrange the formula first so that we can solve for the unknown. So we have to copy the formula above. We have P1 times V1 over T1 equals P2 times V2 over T2. So let's cross multiply guys. We have P1 times V1 times T2 equals P2 times V2 times T1. Since our unknown variable is V2 or final volume, we have to isolate this guys. So let's divide both sides by P2 and T1 so that we can isolate this. P2 times T1, P2 times T1. So this is gonna be cancelled out. So our formula for this question guys is, let's copy again. Since it is cancelled out guys, we have to remove it. So we have V2 equals P1 times V1 times T2 over P2 times T1. So this is our formula guys so that we can solve for the unknown. So to proceed, we have to substitute the values of each variable. So we have to proceed. We have P1 which is 750. This is P1, 750 times our V1 is 4.0. Then our T2 or final temperature is 360. Then we have P2 which is 900 times our T1 or initial temperature is 300. So let's use a calculator guys because this will be a huge number. So let's calculate this using calculator. We have 750 times 4.0 times 360. So we have 1,080,000. So we have V2 1,080,000. No. 1,080,000 over, let's solve for the denominator guys. We have 900 times 300. 900 times 300. So 900 times 300 is 270,000. So let's divide it guys. So we have 1,080,000 divided by 270,000. So our final volume is 4. Our final volume for this question guys is 4. So we have V2 equals to 4. 4 liters. So that is our final answer guys for the question number for this question guys. So if you have a question or clarification and correction, just pay me guys. Nagre-reply po ako. Maraming salamat po.